Welcome to this episode of Treistoph, where Chris and Trey go all the way up to Michigan.
We're gonna go into the woods. You're gonna see us get into Lake Superior, and we're gonna take you with us. If you're interested in that and so much more, please like and subscribe. Join our community because it's awesome. Let's get into it.
I thought my Jedi braid was a bug.
That's funny.
You can see the edge way out there. The line goes all the way like right there. Oh no, it keeps going. It's like right there. Isn't that crazy? So, Trey is getting ready. I have my flip-flops on. Oh, thank you.
I think this is common milkweed.
Yeah.
Right here. Here. Actively being eaten.
Oh, wow.
Where'd that guy go? Shoot! I need swivels! I need swivels! Yeah, I'll give her a photo. No! Yeah. I need swivels. Tell her to get swivels.
Talk to me.
Who?
These women, they're wanting to talk to you.
Where are you going?
I was going to the beach.
To the beach?
Was going to the beach.
To the beach?
Well, where are we going?
I don't know. There's a lot of people here.
Oh my god. Look at this water.
Oh, I'm glad we figured out our shower situation.
Oh wow, we almost came here.
Yeah. This would have been fun to bathe in.
Wow. Do you guys see that? That is yellow. And there is a,
Hello?
like, a factory?
That's there's a description for it on it.
Do you want to, so you want to walk on the path? Well, we're leaving. The water is weird, and that's scary. Maybe there's eggs. So we're talking about these little seed pods on the milkweed. The flowers are coming. So that's not swamp milkweed.
No, this is common.
That's crazy. That's so cool. Look, y'all can see us in real time doing our job.
So you can see us doing our job like, yeah.
Hola.
Starting route. Head west on Mount Marquette Road.
Let's go. Here we go. Yeah.
See down that river?
Didn't we stay here a couple nights, like a couple seasons ago?
Yeah, I think we stayed here 3 or 4 nights in a row, yeah.
You guys should watch those videos. They were great. What was that? I have no idea. There was like smoke and then it went away. Very weird.
Tow truck towing 2 boats.
I wonder where we're gonna be in a couple days. I'm so excited. Went the wrong way. So we're turning around and we're going back. Oh yeah, you gotta go right there, but you can't do it. They couldn't have just made it so you can go through. Not allowed to. And this road is so crazy. There's just cars.
It's crazy dangerous.
But it's not for us right now, so we got lucky.
Wow.
So we
got
went
really lucky.
Yeah, we got to Starbucks. We were gonna look up a whole bunch of stuff. The car outlet stuff is not working in our car. Both things have blown out, so I guess it's a bad fuse. We don't know though, and we were gonna look it up, and we left Starbucks without even looking it up, so now we don't have Wi-Fi to look anything up, so.
We're hoping maybe wherever we sleep tonight we'll have Wi-Fi, but we don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Can't believe there's still Kohl's around. That's crazy.
We're not gonna come outside and bother.
COVID hit Burger King so bad they're still not open. So our breaker box blew a switch, so we're trying to charge our generator, and well, we can't do that anymore.
Excuse me. Which way do these go? Oh, okay. Let's see, so there's a whole fuse missing right there.
I wonder which one is the one that the generator pulls from.
Yeah, I don't know how to tell. I wonder if there's like a fuse map. Oh, there is in the book.
In the booklet, okay.
Let's see, table of contents.
I can't believe Burger King is locked. Look at us, we're fixing our car. I'm fucking around, but Trey is fixing our car. Their Wi-Fi doesn't even work.
Do you know what the outlet thing is called? It's just called an outlet? Front PowerPoint. I think that's it.
That's what I thought it was too.
20A40. Okay, so that means fuse 40.
These are actually really good instructions.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're gonna go look at it, see if we can figure it out. Oh, those ones too.
Salted caramel.
This is the one we're getting.
Non-dairy.
Non-dairy for
Vegan ice cream.
the boys.
For the boys.
Or,
These say 40 on
I think those are the bulbs or something.
it. I'm gonna check the other box. So I feel like it's the other one for some reason.
It might be. It doesn't make sense. Ugh. I think those are the voltage. Huh. So we just got off the interstate and this protest was like, the elections are at risk, and we were driving underneath them. They were on a bridge and we just were staring at them and they were like waving and we didn't do anything. We were just like, we were trying to read their sign, but by the time we read it we were like, oh. But the girl that was waving was like, oh, they didn't wave. So everyone's scared of us up here. We've been called Russian spies before.
Someone did ask us.
Yeah, over there, some girl said, you're not working for the Russians, right? And I looked at her, I was like, really? It was just interesting. So we get that a lot in this area. And, you know, that's okay. There's no problem with that. So, we're going to show you guys some amazing, beautiful scenery. And you're going to like it. Vegan burger. Guys, it is a very cold summer day in Michigan. We're looking at 50s in the night. And I think it's like 60, 70, but right now it's closer to that 50. It's very cold in the woods. Remarkable. Amazing. That was incredible, and I hope we find more mushrooms on our way here.
Hello. I believe we are in the Hiawatha National Forest. I'm so tired, but I mean, this is amazing. Southeast of Marquette. We're about 3 or 4 days into this adventure. What's that mean?
Well, it's a specific.
A lot of these mushrooms, if you look, they're shelf mushrooms, which means they don't grow on logs that are on the ground. So, I think there must have been a storm or something relatively recently because there's a lot of logs with shelf mushrooms on them.
The investigator saw a bunch of cool mushrooms. I hope we find some more.
This is a beautiful forest.
Yeah, normally the mushrooms, they're on the way back. So,
They are usually on the way back.
yeah, we'll see. And then we have to go find where we're going to be sleeping tonight.
Yeah.
So, that'll be fun. Alright, so we're done with our little journey. And this is where we were. Our Marquette South trails. Alright. We're going in our car, and we're still in Michigan.
Use your Walmart sack for your shoes.
Yeah. We're still in Michigan. We have yet to find our next home, but I think we're staying in Marquette tonight. And we'll figure out where the next destination is next. Maybe tomorrow we'll be in a different area. Who knows? So it's getting kind of late and we have been kicked out 0 times. We're gonna keep that up. We're going to a Walmart that we know is good for us. And we're gonna hope that it stays that way. But we're gonna investigate and we're gonna make sure there's people sleeping there already. But we've been here before, so it should be okay.
We have a backup plan. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Well, I have no way to pay, so you're paying, right?
Yeah, I'll make sure I have my wallet. They have a McDonald's.
Oh, wow. I don't even have my phone. Do you have your phone?
Yeah. When was the last time you had McDonald's?
Last time I had McDonald's was like, I don't even know, 3 years?
When was you go to McDonald's?
So we're going into Walmart.
Hello.
Or we're going to walk around. I don't know which one yet.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to walk around the store.
Yeah, you want to? Woo, it is getting cold, guys. Over there is where we slept one time.
Yeah?
It was pretty remarkable. I wonder if we're supposed to sleep there. I don't know. Over here is where all the semis are hanging out.
Yeah.
And they got their wooden pallets right there and some more plastic ones up there. Cameras are in use. You hear
Makes you
that?
feel safe.
Yeah, it does. Makes you feel.
Protected.
Yeah, because I'm using a camera. I'm supposed to.
And we're also being protected by cameras.
Yeah, the cameras are here to protect. They're always watching.
What?
Huh?
They're protecting us.
And they're always watching.
Yeah, watching for bad guys. We're good guys.
They're just watching.
What else are you gonna do? Turn around for what? Turn down for what?
He probably was looking at us and his butt hit the horn. And we hope you guys are liking the content. I don't know when we're going to be able to upload anything. I have an idea for how to upload something, so we'll see how that goes.
I still can't believe we just went and stopped at a random McDonald's. And I just walked inside and I was like, can I park here overnight tonight? And she was like, yeah. I was like, okay, thank you. I was like, do I need to buy anything? And she was like, no. I was like, okay, thank you.
It was very nice. So that's what we did.
It was so chill, guys. Like, we got to wake up and we were at McDonald's and we can't eat anything there. But we went on a walk and a jog and we ended up on the beach. And then from the beach, we ended up on a pier.
I feel like we stayed there. You think that's where we
Yeah. Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna find if we can find a snack.
Something tasty.
Yeah, something that might not melt right away.
Something that might be a fruit or a vegetable.
Maybe pickles. I don't know.
Or maybe could be something that melts, so we have to eat it tonight.
Oh my god! Well, I didn't get us coming in here, but we're here.
Huh?
I didn't get us coming in here, but we're in here.
Hello?
Hello!
I'm going to just take a quick peek at what they have for the men's.
Really big hoodies.
We have some very soft shorts to sleep in. I don't know why you would wear shorts.
I think somebody tried that one on.
Oh, look at these. Material.
No boundaries. I don't like that. These are all jeans. Well, they have pants, shorts over there.
Oh, those
Oh, look, they have a little hat. Oh, they do have handkerchiefs.
for $2.
You're just gonna blow your nose on them.
Well, I can use these. That's what these are made for.
I don't really know which one I want. I don't really want any of these ones. Pasties or whatever they're called. This girl was like, "You're saying it wrong." And then she told me to say it the same way I was saying it. I was like, "The pasties." She's like, "No, those are on your nipples." I was like, "Okay." They don't really have good flavors, do they? They got fish food. Oh, those ones too.
Salted caramel.
This is the one we're getting.
Non-dairy.
Non-dairy for
Vegan ice cream.
the boys.
For the boys. For the boys. For the baby boys.
We're the baby boys. We're the baby boys. Did you guys like the content and want to be a part of our amazing community? You guys can actually help us along the way. Join us on Treistoph.com where you can find all of the available gifts you can give us to help us keep going. You guys see us eating potatoes and onions, getting our coffee, running our gas tanks empty. You guys can be a part of our community and help us on the way and on the journey there. And we're so excited to bring more amazing content in the future. So you don't want to get fruit now?
Not really.
Oh.
I don't think I'm gonna feel like preparing it tonight, to be honest. Well, I have a large fruit in the vehicle that I.
Oh yeah, we already do have that. We have a big watermelon. I believe you said that.
I think it's funny.
Good thing. Yeah, something weird happened. Made us do the job. We're not even working here. Guys, we have the best car. So like we have all of the shades put up and we have this and nobody knows we're in here. Super incognito.
It's true.
Oh my god, can we get Wi-Fi out here?
I'm trying to see right now.
Shimmo, shimmo, little girl.
Yep. So,
That was funny. Is your coochie cream?
sunscreen.
Today we're using coochie cream.
This is not for your Gucci. Where did I put this yesterday? Oh, in the
Put it in your butt.
not appropriate.
Well, don't forget it.
I found it.
Where do you want this?
I was gonna put it right here in the seat.
Is there anything down there?